This year for the 2019-2020 bowling season, the high school boys have 16 boys coming out, 4 upperclassmen, and 3 seniors.
My name is Christian Ackerman. I'm a senior, and this is my 3rd year bowling.
My name is Jonathan Hull. I'm a senior, and this is my 1st year bowling.
I'm Benjamin Romack. I'm a senior. I'm part of the high school bowling team. This is my 4th year.
Last season, the boys finished 14-1, finishing the season off with a great win against Coldwater. This year, for a young team coming back, we're just hoping to kind of build each week into the end of the year and have some good postseason tournament runs. My name is Keith Kiefer. I'm the Celina High School boys bowling coach. I've been coaching at Celina for 4 years and 11 years overall.